The new LYSAGHT LOK-KLIP is the smart, simple solution to an old problem. LOK-KLIP allows LYSAGHT KLIP-LOK 700 High Strength and LYSAGHT KLIP-LOK Classic to be joined seamlessly, creating a striking roofline uninterrupted by steps and uncluttered by visible fixing screws. There is no special detailing on the purlin configuration. A single line of purlins is sufficient. Because it is a hybrid between an expansion joint or step joint and an end lap, it can be installed quickly and easily on these profiles. The LYSAGHT LOK-KLIP allows thermal movement, and foam infill strips make the LOK-KLIP weather resistant. There is minimal change to the existing installation practices, and the low materials cost and use of standard fasteners make using LOK-KLIP quick and easy. Handling is also easier because shorter lengths can be used, and LYSAGHT ClearSlide is compatible with LOK-KLIP, so long lengths of translucent sheeting can also be used if desired. Install the bottom row of KLIP-LOK 700 High Strength or KLIP-LOK Classic 700 in accordance to the instructions given in the LYSAGHT Roofing and Walling Installation Manual. After due consideration is given to the design requirements of LOK-KLIP, commence laying clips on the bottom row over supports where LOK-KLIP is required. The lap must be positioned over the support. This will allow normal concealed fastening and thus allow thermal movement to occur at the clip. Measure the distance from the centre line of the clip to the end of the lower sheets. It should be 175 mm. Use a string line or straight edge to ensure clips are aligned over the support and mark the location on the ribs. Clips are attached to the cladding, then screw fixed to the crest of the lower row of cladding. Foam weather strips are then installed on top of the cladding, so they interlock to similar weather strips on each side. Using a low torque setting on the drill, secure LOK-KLIP through the top of the clip and through the crest of the lower sheet. The joint on the weather strip should be positioned over one of the inner ribs of the KLIP-LOK sheets that is not at the sheet's side laps. The foam is placed on the downward side of the roof slope, adjacent to the clips. Here we show 2 rows of infill strips for extra weather protection. Install the upper sheets onto the LOK-KLIP brackets in this sequence. First, the 2 inner ribs, then the overlap. These clips need to be engaged before the remaining KLIP-LOK clips are engaged, that is, those heading toward the high end of the roof. The top sheet must clip into each rib clip, so align the sheet ends and snap into position by stepping on the rib of the sheet directly over the clip. Please take care to avoid walking around the LOK-KLIP overhang areas. The roof edge is now ready to receive barge flashing. Please take care and avoid walking on the roof edge. Congratulations! You can use KLIP-LOK 700 High Strength and KLIP-LOK Classic on any job where a long length roofing design solution is required.